now, so
Nice.
I got 10 minis in on these. And my other accounts, I got 2 micros. So, it's like, what, $9.50 on them?
Well, hello, good morning, everybody. We are live. Welcome to Nick's Full Porting.
Nick's being a degenerate.
Full porting to pass some accounts this morning.
What you do?
I closed down my book map, and you know how it says save or not or whatever? Save and close? I didn't do that, and I was like, oh shoot, I should have saved it because I just added, the M's, MNQ and MES. Yesterday I was like, shoot, so I had to do it all over again this morning.
Well, that one took my stop.
Oh yeah. That's a full package. Right there.
All right.
So ES is above previous day high, and which is all-time high. So 7,025 is all-time high on ES. We have some old equal highs on NQ up at 26,122, which I've been eyeballing. That's kind of in reach. If we can get up above the value area high and the previous day high, you could definitely see us ripping.
I got 5 minutes till market opens, so unless you're just trying to do what I'm doing right now, be patient. Because I blew those 4 Apex accounts, I just full porting 4 new ones. Well, now 3 new ones because I full ported one this morning and passed it to made $4 more than the $3,000 that I was required to. I literally have $3,004 in profit in that one. One trade, 10 minis, $3,000, and passed. So now I got 3 more to do that with.
Gotcha. So you're just doing them one at a time, full porting them.
Be right back, 1 second.
So what do we have for news here? We have home sales and basically just home sales, and the Fed Museum speaks. That's probably nothing too serious.
Yeah.
Trump's doing a site tour on Michigan at 9:30, which is 12:30.
He's doing a what tour?
Site tour Michigan. I don't know. Yeah. but he's going to be on the camera, so you never know. But that's it. That'll be after we're off, anyways, probably, right? So
Here's hoping.
12:30. Yes, it's getting a bit of a deeper pullback here into that CPI polar fair value gap. 1 minute until the market open here.
Why I'm still pulling down a little bit.
Looks like Zach's doing a similar thing to you. Morning, Darren.
Yeah, that's I was on his stream this morning. That's why I was like, you know what? I got accounts that I need to get past here. Let's just do that.
Yeah.
IM's just bouncing around right now.
Yeah, that's a volatile. Nothing burger.
It was up. It was down. It was up. It's going back down. It's like a teeter-totter.
Doing a whole lot of nothing burger. Up and down. Very
Yeah.
took the low of that previous gap.
I'm going to be patient now.
It's pretty bullish. Up there.
So on all of my accounts now, I'm doing a 50-to-1 ratio on micros because I have my funded accounts attached to it. So my funded accounts, for every micro I take, I'm taking 50 micros on the evals.
Oh, crazy. Whoa.
For a grand total of 117 entries, contracts, whatever you want to call them. I am still just bouncing around here on this 5-minute candle. I'm
I
in
took
a
short on
YM
NQ.
short right now.
I locked in 42 and 45 on NQ there. What a morning, Azar. Good morning. You got the YM short, eh? Oh, wow.
At YM short.
There you go. YM's hit. Oh, I was going to say it's going to the lows, and then it just jumped.
All right, I made my little $300 trade there. For full porting, that was a shit trade.
Damn. So it's 10 minis. That's full size account, right?
10 minis is a full size account, yeah. For a 50K.
Yeah. They let you go big.
Oh, yeah. 10 minis, 100 micros. Well, I'm going to hold off here for a minute. No need to get excessively
Trying to push down to the
stupid.
lows again here. Yeah.
What was that?
Oh, YM was trying to take the lows there.
Trying. It's got orders down at 675. It's also got orders up at 740, so looking like it's going to drop a little bit.
YM's doing its own thing again this morning.
Yep.
ES and NQ kind of holding up.
Little contrary again.
As usual.
Yeah, can't expect much else out of YM.
It's also faking out the low pretty often there.
Yeah.
Hey, Jordan. Good morning. What kind of an emoji is that? That's pretty cool. It's like a smiley face holding a flower, like some herbs. Are those funky herbs?
I think Jordan just gave his emojis just giving us the finger.
Yeah. Zar, good
Oh
good
shit!
luck.
Zara
bro.
took a silver long. Good luck, brother. I should have stayed in that YM short.
Oh wow. Yeah. Look at that thing. I locked in a quick 20 on a short scalp there on NQ. Kind of finding some resistance at the previous day high, but just not thinking it's gonna last too long. So I'm being pretty aggressive on it. They got the whole gang on at ASFX. Oh yeah, look at NQ now. Whew. Good thing I did get out of that guy. that was a
Man,
move.
seems to be sinking like a stone here. All right, I'm up 1,000 on those accounts.
Nice.
Which means I am up like, I think I'm up like $5 on the funded accounts. No, $20. Take a $20 winner. That's all right with that.
Yeah. You get stopped on that little pullback there?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trailing it pretty tight because Apex has trailing drawdown.
Intraday trailing drawdown? Yeah.
Yep. YM's getting a little bit of, no, never mind. Gonna hit those lower days again. Push through them.
I'm gonna go a bit.
Down below a bearish fair value gap on YM. Oh, it's just creating it though.
Yeah.
So this could pop up and erase it completely.
Yeah, value area highs up there at 49,672.
So 20 points above where we're at now, is that right?
Yeah.
30.
30.
My eyes aren't that great, so looking over at the other chart on my laptop is not conducive to optimum number reading.
NQ's finding a little resistance up at the previous day high, but it just took it, so NQ's looking pretty bullish right now.
Glad I held out on that next short.
Oh yeah, quite a bounce. Ooh, NQ just slapped down pretty hard.
All right, I got 1,200 more to go before I pass these accounts.
Well, I tried a short on YM and then I backed out on it. Break even. Oh yeah, nice. Czar took a partial on silver. Now he can calm down a bit with the entry at break even.
All right, good deal.
Nice, Czar. Yeah, that's scary. Silver's scary, man.
You can lose your ass real quick on silver.
There's Tim. Good morning, Tim. I was framing up a long idea on NQ, but then it just basically fully erased that fair value gap. So
Dumped on you.
oh, hey Tim, thank you. Appreciate that for using my code. Thanks so much. Bought a 50K flex account. Oh, nice. When you pass that, has no consistency score, which is always good.
Oh, on Lucid?
Yeah, the Lucid flex
Okay.
accounts, they're no consistency score, but you have to make an extra $50 per day on 5 days to yeah.
So
pass
what's your
this.
minimum profitable day that you need?
150 times 5.
Oh. All right.
So it's pretty reasonable. On the
Yeah,
other,
that's
the pro
not.
account,
Sorry, go ahead.
yeah, the pro account is $100 a day, so it's $50 more for the flex.
Probably worth it.
Yeah. I think your maximum size is reduced a bit on those accounts also, but I mean, if you're not trying to full port it anyways.
Yeah, I only do that with Apex accounts that I'm trying to pass quickly. So I'll do that shit on legit accounts. A little bit of a lift on YM here.
It's hit, that would be Friday's VWAP there at 49.511.
Short again.
There we go, just taking that level now. Minute 44 on that candle.
All right, now I need another $676 on this account on these
Nice.
accounts to pass.
So you copying the other ones, or?
Yeah, so I've got all my my funded accounts trading 1 micro, and I've got all of these test accounts copied, but they're trading 50 micros.
Gotcha.
Like I said, I would never do this on a PA account. There's no way in hell. That would just be irresponsible and oof. coming up to the bottom of that fair value. Oh, it's never mind. Creating a fair value gap. I'm not good at reading those things.
Yeah.
I never know whether I should enter at the top of the gap, at the bottom. It's like I'm looking at that and the price action and where the VWAP is, and I just end up confusing myself half the time. But
Zach usually targets the middle of the fair value gap. Tim said I went totally tilt mode yesterday, blew up my account I was trading. Oh, sorry to hear that, Tim. Yeah. I feel you, man. I had a rough week there. I didn't blow accounts, but I definitely had some tilt behaviors. Missed that ES short, Darren. Hopefully retraces up. All right, yeah. YM10 below that. I guess it's Friday's VWAP. Should have taken this NQ short. I had an idea on here. It's just my two charts aren't really. That's the only thing about like having Project X and Trade of 8, and like I can't do the levels on every one of my charts, so then it's not so easy for me to watch the levels.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't like trading on Project X anyway.
Yeah, I don't have much success here either.
I don't know if it's just me, or I just feel like it's a shit platform that it kind of reminds me of like a video game from the 90s.
Yeah.
Not how I want to trade.
Yeah, ES rejected pretty nice off of the previous day high area, which was also a previous all-time high. I guess I should probably move my all-time high up to the new all-time high from pre-market's pop.
Down again here. It's kind of looking like it.
I'm down, no strength for ES to push up. Yeah.
Like gold's starting to move too.
Well, I tried to short there on NQ, didn't work out. Bounced. Kind of shouldn't be trading in this area. It seems like it's just a little too choppy. I was targeting a pullback to the overnight VWAP there. Didn't quite work. I still think we're going to go lower on NQ, but I think just my timing might have been off there a bit. So I lost $46 on that trade.
Not horrible.
And of course, it touched my stop, and then now it's going in profit. Of course,
yeah, of course
you know,
it is, because that's just how it always happens.
So YM's currently in a bearish fair value gap, bouncing up.
I want to touch that while it's popping up. Wait until this 5-minute candle closes. See if I can get something. We all know how YM works.
Yeah.
It'll drop for 10, 15 minutes straight and then just rocket through the roof.
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen it. So it did hit this just about the middle of that bearish fair value gap and started coming down.
Yeah. That usually shoots for the, like I said, about. I may take a DGen long at low a day at 7,004. Risk it for the biscuit.
All right, my YM short is now working. Starts to go back up on me. I'll see if I can cut out as quickly as possible. Got my stop loss, $3 in profit. Push down.
Best home sales are going right now. Higher than forecast.
YM is still actually looking pretty good for the shorts.
Yeah.
I'm going to change over my test accounts to 25 to 1.
Okay. Well, that NQ didn't end up going lower there. ES went lower.
Went a little lower and starting to bounce up a little bit. Not much, but a little bit.
ES wicked Asia low bounced. Yeah, wicked Asia low and bounced. Well, we still have that CPI, bullish fair value gap area on those levels. So NQ's trying to hold the overnight VWAP here. Getting a little bit of rejection off of it.
YM is just a dog today.
Yeah, what's it doing? Not much, eh? Kind of
It's
just
just
hanging out
grinding
below.
down, going down, making new lows. And every 5-minute candle's been a new low. Except for one. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
I'm about ready to just put in a short on YM and call it a day. Oh, and as I say that, it pops up. Because
Even ES is a POS. Right, Darren? You and Nick are on rest is off. I don't know what you mean there, Dad. Oh, morning, guys. No screen on. Same on the phone and the TV. I don't think anyone else is having this problem, but interesting. So, like, you don't see my... I have my... Are you live right now, or are you just on the start of the stream? My chart isn't showing. Weird.
that is weird.
Did that fix it right there? There's Nina. Good morning, Nina. I removed my chart and added it. Is it up there? So weird. Let me know if you guys can see the chart now. I might have to completely refresh it or something. Still nothing. Oh, wow. What the heck? Yeah. Okay, well, I'll stop screen share and I'll try to re-add it.
Yeah, you got nothing out there. I just pulled open the UTEL.
There we go.
There it is.
Now it's good. Oh, but then it went away. What the heck? You see that? So weird. Again, it keeps going up and then it's going down. Okay, well, Now it shows on the stream, but it doesn't show on my on my end.
That's just weird.
Just looks fuzzy. Huh. Okay, well, I'm gonna refresh, reload the site. There we go. Is it up now? It looks like it's up now on the stream. Is it still fuzzy? It's up now. Oh, crystal clear. Nice.
Crystal
Okay,
clear.
perfect.
All right.
Yeah, I guess I had to refresh it. I guess. Thanks for letting me know. Well, I was right on trying to short NQ. It just my stop was tight, and then if I wouldn't have got stopped out on that one, I would have definitely been alive. Gold had a nice flush looking to COMEX open. Okay.
Like I did much better in the pre-market than I am right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Although the price is moving, it's not really moving very that clean right now.
See if I can get a little something out of YM right now. Yeah, $50
I
out
need
of
to get some
YM.
Nice. Oh, NQ is just going lower and lower here. Nice, Tim. Good job.
What'd Tim do?
Hit a TP on MES. Jordan went short at 7,001, got out 11 points profit. Nice. Couple W's there.
I love hearing about people's wins.
Yeah, it's nice.
Everyone needs a win.
Yeah. Out on gold, tapped the zone. Nice play. All right. Yeah, good job, Zara.
Ready for a nap now.
Yeah. So funny, Lance in the ASFX is like, okay, boys, if you put this much effort into your effing trading, where would you be? He's like, you fill your mental space with football gay shit.
I mean, he's not really wrong.
Yeah.
You guys go on more about football than pretty much anyone I know. Why am to pull down again?
Pretty high volume area at the 450s there. So whether or not it's gonna head lower here, it's hard to say. Looking like it wants to though. I mean, it's been bearish all morning, so I don't see why. Hasn't really showed any side that it wants to go higher. Other than the fact that we've been kind of going sideways here in the last 15 minutes.
15 minutes of sideways action. There's orders above and below on the book map, and it's just kind of meh right now.
Yeah. Not going up much, not going down much. Just kind of ranging.
Kind of fizzling.
Yeah, previous day low on YM at 4,000 or 407, 49,407. NQ has a bunch of room below towards that towards its previous day low anyways.
Been literally just sitting in this YM short for 15 minutes now.
Yeah.
Up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down. It's just starting to get a little irritating.
She's not doing a whole lot.
Stop me out in profit. That's all I'm asking. It's not much, right? I mean, should be able to ask for that.
Yeah. I don't see why not. sounds like Visa and some of those credit card companies are taking a pretty big hit from Trump saying they're going to cap interest rates.
Yeah, the
People
banks
are-
probably aren't real happy about that.
Yeah.
At least I run a bank or anything, but
Mhm.
imagining that puts a damper on their P&L.
Hey, opening range just set. So our value area low is our opening range low on NQ. Or sorry, initial balance, not opening range. My bad.
I was gonna say it's a little bit late for the day and for that, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, I am in a YM long right now.
Nice.
Locked in 250. And I took 250.
Nice. All right. Must be trading minis.
Yes. Yeah, I don't like this price action, so I took all of my funded accounts off of it, and I'm just trading those
Evals.
test accounts,
Nice.
evals. Thank you.
Sweet.
Ooh. You seeing anything good?
Not really at the moment. I'm just kind of. If we can get a pullback, I've been watching ES here. If we can get a pullback sort of to New York VWAP, I might think about taking a short here. One of those deeper pullbacks, as long as it's not too momentous, like it's not doesn't just rip straight up there. What do we got on the CBD? We got minus 9,200. 9,100, 9,000. A lot of shares trading right now. Coming up to the point of control. And a bearish fair value gap right there. It's like the only bearish fair value gap we have. Right at the point of control.
You're looking at
try a small short here on MES. Yeah, I'm looking at MES.
I was just going to ask if you're looking at that.
Go again, a little bit of pullback here. Come on, let's go further. Kind of going against me here a bit. Down 45 right now on this trade. Looking like we're getting a V recovery here, unfortunately, now, after I got in short.
Great.
Figures. Probably gonna stop me out here in a sec. Let's say somehow survive this bounce. Yeah, I got stopped out, unfortunately. Shit, man. Fair value gap not getting respected at all. It worked. It held on the first 5-minute candle, and then now this 5-minute candle just blew right through it. So it was looking promising, and now of course. Man.
Well, it looks like we're going to have to just stop and be patient for a little while. Or act like a degenerate and just full port this shit.
Option A.
Good choice. Good choice. Waiting for YM to either pull back off this out of this fair value gap or blow through it.
Got stopped by a tick, and now it's in the money. Man, I don't know. I gotta reassess some of these things that I'm doing here. It's like I need to give it more space or something. I don't know.
How tight do you put in your stop losses?
That one was like 4.5 points or something. 4.5 points.
Oh, that's tight. That's real tight.
Yeah. Because it would be I would be in profit right now.
Starting to like YM longs here.
Yeah.
Unless it decides to reject off the...
And if I take a long here, it probably will. So, you know, there's that. All right, I'm going to go grab some coffee.
Sounds good.
Oh, I don't take that. I don't take that. I don't take that.
Gotta run, be back later. All right, Tim. Have a good one. Nice trade there on the yes.
Anything fun happen while I was gone?
I'm in a YM short here.
And why I'm short?
Yeah. A little bit in the money, but trying to give this some time here.
What was your entry on that one?
49,570. I'm gonna put my stop here break even. I might get stopped out. I covered one at a small winner, but we do have some bullish fair value gaps below. So if it decides to bounce from there, it's not going to be great for me. So figured lock in the stop here.
Looks like it's just playing with your stop loss.
Yeah, it's almost touching it there.
Go down. Keep going. Do it for Dave.
Yes, please.
Do it for the Gipper.
Took one more off there. I don't know. I got two left here. I had four originally, so covered two so far. It's just kind of stalling out.
There you go.
There we go. Keep going. Keep going.
Down a little. Just keep going.
Yeah, we rejected off a bearish fair value gap, and we're in another bearish fair value gap. So I was like, huh, seems like a pretty decent chance that we're gonna go lower. I'm awfully quiet today.
Yeah, me too. Sorry.
Are you saying my mic? Or are you saying we're just not talking a lot?
Yeah, just not talking a lot. Is what I'm guessing.
Yeah. There we go. Getting a little bit more here. Don't see why we can't get back down to the lows if this continues here.
My finger on the flatten button.
Just you and Nick. But what do you mean, Dad? You mean we're like not talking a lot, or our voices are quiet? Well, if I can get to $100 in profit, I'm probably going to close this. I know it's not. I'm kind of trading my P&L, but I'd like to get back to break even and lock it in.
Careful about that trade in your P&L. I'm short 5 minis right now.
Wow.
Best accounts. But I locked in 335 in profit. Oh, looks like it's going to stop me out. Yep. There we go. That was it.
Yeah, pretty big bounce there. I don't know if I should just cut this. No, half my profits are gone.
Hey, you still got half your profits, right?
Yeah, I still got my stop to break even, so.
What else do we have to look at today? Oh, it's coming up on a bearish fair value gap. So that might be a good thing for you.
There's two there. There's one above that's, there's one that is trying to print right now and one that's printed above it.
Yeah, I was looking at the one above it. I'm trying not to consider the ones that are printing.
Yeah.
Every time I...
70. My price is at the New York. High volume on the 3-minute YM. Come on, YM, let's go lower here. I'm still gonna TP down here at I'm gonna put it just above 450, 455.
Right. Looks like a good space for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna front run the 450s because that could be a key sort of bounce point. So need this candle to go red.
Big red.
Big red. So I'm leaving the apartment that I'm in and I'm moving to the farm. And,
Oh yeah.
Because of the layout of the bedrooms there, my mom lives at the farm also, right? I got her to move to one of the other bedrooms, and I'm taking the big bedroom because then I can set up the streaming area in half of the room and then the sleeping area in the other half of the room.
Right.
So I went to Home Depot and picked up flooring because it had carpet before. So
Not a fan of carpet.
I'm gonna have a nice. I'm doing some like videos to like say that I'm like updating this, like the streaming area. So I'm gonna make some. So I'm kind of recording the whole transition, and I'm gonna make some content with that. So
That should be interesting.
come on, YM, let's go.
YM is not doing what I want it to do.
No.
Out of my trade, I took 20 bucks, 25 bucks out of that one.
Come on, YM. Let's go a little lower here. Pretty bearish indecision candle there. Just took the 500s there, fortunately. Shit. Pretty low volume bounce though so far.
What's gold doing right now? Looking like it might get a little lift according to the book map.
Man, there goes YM bouncing up here again. It's gonna break me even on the rest of these contracts here. I guess I should have closed it down at the low there. Low of that previous candle.
The gold long right now. Up a couple of points, so and stopped out with 50 bucks of profit.
Nice. Locked out all accounts up 320 on one and 5 on the other. Was tilting. Ooh, yeah. Lock it out. Good job, Keith. Up $5 on the other one, you said? So you were negative and then you got it to break even basically, and we're like, okay, I gotta stop. Come on, YM. Go back down.
That's how you keep from having a shitty day.
Yeah.
Get it back to break even and you just stop.
Yep, was down
No
600.
reason to-
Okay. Nice job, Keith. Good awareness. Stop yourself from doing any more damage.
Adult decision. I like it. Back in a gold long here. Locking in $10.
I'm really trying to be patient here and not take myself out too early on this trade. And it's not easy. Come on, YM, let's go. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Break that low.
You're looking for YM to hit the low. I'm looking for gold to get to the high of day.
Come on, break the bottom of this wick. Just trying. I feel like I should bring my stop to 500 here. 500 level. It decides to bounce on me. Yeah, I'm doing it. I just don't want it to go too far back on me here. I got to at least lock some in. 67 points. On 2 micros at $67. Come on, let's go. There we go. Just broke the low. I'm going to be aggressive here with the stop, trailing it down. Come on, a little more, guys. Let's go. 3 minutes left on this candle. All right, I'm out. So I locked in 90, 94, 100, a little over $100. So I'm only down 35 on this trade now, or in this account.
Great.
Yeah, not bad.
Great. I like it.
Too bad I covered those 2 of those 4 too early. But I was taking risk off. It was looking like it was going to bounce on me. So. Had a like watching that trade now, like after seeing what happened, like I had a couple good opportunities to put an ad in there and never did.
I hate it when that happens. You look back at your trade and go, oh, that would have been perfect. Oh.
Yeah, I thought about adding too. I was like, should I add? I was like, but it's going to bring my average down. And then if it continues to bounce, I'm going to, it's going to take me out even earlier.
And in this chop, adding to trades generally isn't a great idea.
Yeah, exactly. And I've been burned like that before where I've added and then I bring my stop just to the new level. And then of course it stops me out and I was like up, $150 or whatever before that happened. So
I've done that. I don't know how many times. It's been a lot though.
Yeah, so I'm going to be doing laminate flooring, and I've never done it before. I mean, I've done a lot of, construction-y kind of jobs, but that'll be the first laminate floor I'm going to do. So should be interesting. Well, I'm trying to get back onto my finishing with green days. I don't think I'm going to take any more trades today. I'm up $67 now. even with this little $35 loss in this account. So two small green days in a row. Trying to get back in the groove. I've had, I had a pretty bad week last week. So, and then even Sunday had a bad day. So,
yeah, and you know what they say, green is green.
yeah. My dad installed that laminate flooring at his place. I remember that in the laundry area, right? Yeah. So, and like the carpet, when you cut out the carpet, whatever, it's gross, like who knows how long the carpet's been there, like from the previous owner, right? So it's like when I was cutting it and rolling it up, I'm like, oh my God, this is so gross. There's like, looks like pee stains and this and that everywhere, right? It's so gross. I hate carpet. So
Not a fan.
I need to make a change here. And it's good. It'll make some content for the channel. So
All right.
we're gonna see the transformation. Everybody can see the transformation from the gross carpeted floor to the nice laminate floor with an accent wall. So I'm gonna have a nice little accent wall behind the trading camera. So it's kind of the plan.
Should be fun. Should be. I think my days of doing construction are now behind me.
Yeah.
I just don't like doing it anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just trying to save costs.
Oh, I get that.
And I figured if I do it myself, then I can get, sort of a better product. And then, that the difference of paying the labor and the product.
Yeah. Construction materials get expensive, and then the labor is like 3 times the cost of the construction material usually.
Yeah, right. Why I'm rejected again off of that 544 level. But I'm happy with that trade. I'm not worried about anything else right now.
Still sitting on my my gold short here.
Oh, nice. Okay. Take a look at gold. Ooh, wow. Well, there are a couple nice big bearish candles there. A couple 5 minutes in a row there. Looks like it did find support at the previous day's VWAP at 46.13 previously. And then you have a bullish fair value gap down at 46.07 to 46.09. That's a cash account trade?
No, this is one of the test accounts.
Oh, nice. Okay. Starting to form a nice big fair value gap, bearish. As long as this candle doesn't bounce too much.
I'm only up $200 in this, so I'm hoping.
Got a little hopium.
Opium.
Come on, turn around and go lower.
I said yesterday, hope in one hand and shit in the other and see which one fills up first.
Yeah, so I had my accounts were up about 43 from a trade I took last night. My 4 funded Lucid accounts, and then I did take a loss earlier on YM. Yeah, I think it was on YM. Pretty tight stop on it, so it took me back down to flat on the day, and then I had another winner, so I'm up by $6 in compared to what I had from last night, and I'm like, so I'm pulling the same thing Keith is like, okay, no more trades.
Yeah, we're all done now.
Yeah, I got, I got up. Got it back up. So let's call it there.
Got it close to break even. You're good. Be done.
No need to push it, right? The market's not that beautiful right now, so.
No. There isn't anything really good happening right now.
Although I could definitely see ES heading back to all-time highs. If we can get up above the New York and the overnight. Man, I need to start watching these VWAP crosses, because like the overnight VWAP and the New York VWAP crossed at 655. And then it just it went down so much after that.
Out of my gold short.
Oh wow, yeah. Erase that fair value gap. Just realized I had that same song playing like the whole time.
There are worse songs to be playing. All right. Well, past 2 accounts. The other ones are now in drawdown. I think I am done for the day.
Nice. Yeah. No need to rush those other 2. You can always have tomorrow and get those back in.
Just at the open, take a YM long with a stop loss and see if it goes in my favor.
Yeah, right.
It sounds silly, but I mean, it's an Apex account. I don't want to spend that much time trying to pass an account. It's just not. It's not worth it to me.
Yeah, for whatever reason, I can't seem to freaking get. I can't seem to sign up with Apex.
You can't get an account with them?
Yeah, like every time I get to this one page, Apex Trader, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apex Trader funded or something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I've tried to get it to do it, and then it tells me like I try to fill out the password or whatever, or like I try to fill out their form, and then it won't let me select BC. So I don't know if I can use it in BC. Maybe that's the problem. I'm gonna ask AI here real quick.
I was gonna say, call their support. See what they say.
because it doesn't give me a Canadian. I think it was like the area code won't let me put in my area code or something like that.
That's weird.
Yeah.
I don't know. I had no idea.
Yeah, it doesn't look like I've ever been able to sign up with them.
I don't know. I don't know what their rules are or where their restricted.
Yeah, AI
Don't,
is
uh,
fine. So
It does seem kind of odd that BC would be a restricted area.
maybe I need to use a different. Maybe it has to do with my like browser. If I use a different browser. Let's see if it works this time. When do they don't have a super discount on, do they right now? 90% off or something?
If you use code match, it's 80% off.
Yeah, see, this is what happens to me every time. So when I get to this point, it says choose select state. And even though I put Canada as a country, it says select state and it won't let me.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, I know. It's so weird. It's the same thing that I've ran into. I'm going to try Firefox browser and see if that will make a difference.
Yeah, it does seem kind of ridiculous that BC is an area that they wouldn't want you to trade in.
Yeah, I don't think it's necessarily that, because it gives Canada as an option, but then it just says, it says in like put your state instead of province, because we have provinces, not states, and then it won't like give me a drop down and it won't let me type or anything in there. So let's try over here. I'll try. Oh, it's working here on the other browser.
Very interesting. I wonder why that is.
So it actually gives me an option to, is this account going to be owned by a company? So that's good because I started my, I formed that corporation. So I should obviously do that right away.
Stop.
It's good for tax purposes. Get a lot more write-offs as a corporation.
Yeah. And I actually just got the bank account going yesterday. So I went to BMO and got a free bank account. They even gave me an overdraft.
Oh, excuse me.
So did you picked up those Apexes this morning?
Yeah.
And were they on 90% off right now?
80.
80%. Okay. Sweet. Okay, an email has been sent to me.
Now you are the proud owner of an Apex test account.
I haven't bought an account, but I've
signed up for their.
Finally made an account though. Like I've tried so many times, I never thought to like just switch my freaking.
I wouldn't have thought of that. Switching the browser helps. Cool.
So whose coupon code did you use then?
I just use Match. You can use. Rebecca's got one. It's just Rebecca. I think Zarb has one.
Yeah, let's do Zarb. I like Zarb.
Zarb's a good egg.
So it's only $39, eh?
For a 50K, yeah. $39. Yeah, I do believe I am done for the day. Really don't have anything good going on here. No trades that I want to take.
So is it like a monthly fee on that one? They react it like if you don't pass it.
Yeah, until you pass your account, it'll go from like $39 to whatever the cost of the account is.
Gotcha.
So if you pass it within the 30 days, excuse me.
Is there an
Then,
activation fee?
Yes, it is. I think like $80 all in with the activation fee.
So 39 and 39, basically 40
Essentially,
and 40.
yeah. So yeah, the last activation I did was like $40. So when you do an Apex account, though, just do the lifetime account. Don't do a monthly subscription on a PA account. That's just silly.
Oh, like when you go to activate it.
Yeah.
You pass.
You do a lifetime, it's a one-time charge. And then it says in their thing, oh, in 10 years, we're going to charge you like a penny.
Yeah.
Which I'm sure that's some legality thing, but wow, gold has a bunch of orders down at 4,600. And then they just disappeared. Somebody trying to bring the price down?
All right. Well, log out. Gonna try to log into that Apex account here on Trade of 8.
Give it up. I still have your Project X account up.
Yeah.
Are you in a trade right now?
I am, yeah.
Oh dear.
I took a
How's it
short
going?
on NQ. It's not looking good.
Small size.
One contract, but yeah, it's down $80. I got stopped, of course.
Doc, I'm gonna get the hell out of here before I start making stupid trades.
Yeah, like I did. Yeah. Don't do it.
All right, man. I will see you in the morning.
All right, Nick. See
Have a
you.
good night.
You too. Yeah, let's wrap it up, everybody. Thanks for showing up, everybody. As usual, Czar, my dad, Keith, Wayne, Tim, Jordan. Got all the usual suspects. Darren, Nina was here earlier also. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate you guys. Yeah. Have a good day. Going to call it early. Czar said that about 4 minutes ago. Been a fun day playing the medals. Nice, Czar. All right, bros. Okay, see you guys later. We'll be live again tomorrow morning. See you then. Peace out.